Hello everyone, we'll be talking about web development. Development entails three main components: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Um, HTML is important in determining the content and layout of every website. CSS, which means cascading style sheet, is used for the look and feel of every web page. Um, it is popular because it is used to style the components in HTML pages. It is used for the colors, the fonts, the position, the layout, and the responsive components of every web page. Whereas JavaScript, it is used for the interactive elements of every web page. It shows you how to change the CSS and HTML elements on your website. And it's also very, very important in creating an interactive platform between the user and every web page. So for every website that you have, and let's say you have this website and you want to create an interactive platform between your website and your web page, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are very, very important components that you can use to what? To carry out those components. Now, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are quite very, very important because they are used to create different impacts on every web page. And everything actually depends on how you're able to what express yourself in creating your website. And HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are quite important. Now, the final product of this script and code that you see here, um, this is an HTML page that involves a particular script. This is a CSS page that involves a particular script, and this is what the HTML platform. There is a connection link between the CSS and what the HTML, and this connection is this time to what the linking page. Now, if you want to learn web development and be a developer, whether you want to be front end and back end, you have to what appreciate the importance and the powerful impact of these three languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is used for controlling the layout of the content of a web page. It provides the structure for the web page design. It also gives you what the fundamental building blocks of every web page. Whereas CSS is used for styling the website. It applies the style to the web page. It is used to target various components of each of the web page, and also what provides the primary handles for the look and feel of the web page. JavaScript on its own part is used to increase the interactive platform between a user and a web page. It has the interactive platform for a web page. It handles the complex functions and features for each of the web components, and it provides the programmatic code which enhances functionality of a web page. HTML and CSS is and JavaScript are quite important. And this is just like a brief introduction of what you can achieve with HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Um, um, there is no perfect way to learn by just practicing and what keeping your hand dirty with pages, codes, graphics, and all these components. So don't be shy of what learning more about it because you can achieve a lot. And another important component that you have to know also is that you have to know how to what organize your web page. You have to separate your HTML from your CSS, your CSS from your JavaScript, and you have to separate what your images, and you have to ensure that what you organize your components properly. My name is Bash, and I this is just a brief introduction of what you can do with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Thank you very much, and see you all in our next class. Have a great day.